ever been plagued with the uncomfortable feeling of sinus congestion? You're not alone. Sinus congestion, that pesky blockage and swelling in your nasal passages, is a common ailment affecting many. It can make breathing a chore, disrupt your sleep, and generally hamper your quality of life. It's like having a pesky, uninvited guest who overstays their welcome. But worry not, because we've got some effective home remedies that can help you breathe easier. Our first remedy is a classic: steam inhalation. This method is as timeless as it is effective. You see, the warmth of the steam works wonders on the nasal passage, soothing it and breaking down the stubborn congestion. The process is simple. Boil some water and transfer it to a bowl. Lean over the bowl and drape a towel over your head to trap the steam. To enhance the benefits, consider adding a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint. These oils are known for their decongestant properties. But remember, safety first. Maintain a safe distance to avoid burns. Inhale the steam for about 10 minutes and you should start to feel some relief. Next up, we have hydration and warm fluids. The vitality of staying hydrated cannot be overstated, particularly when you're grappling with sinus congestion. Your body needs ample fluids to keep the mucus thin and flowing, preventing it from blocking your nasal passages. Now let's talk about the magic of warm fluids. They're not just comforting on a cold day or when you're feeling a little low. Herbal teas, broths, or even a simple cup of warm water can work wonders. They help in loosening the mucus, easing your congestion, and providing you with the much-needed relief. So, don't underestimate the power of your tea kettle or soup pot. Remember, keep sipping on those warm fluids and stay hydrated. Last but not least, consider using a humidifier. Dry environments can really get your sinus congestion going. The dry air irritates your nasal passages, leading to inflammation and discomfort. That's where a humidifier comes in. By adding moisture to the air, it helps soothe your irritated sinuses and eases congestion. But remember, it's not just about having a humidifier, it's about using it properly. Keep it clean to prevent the growth of bacteria or mold, and maintain the humidity level between 40 and 60%. Too much humidity can be as harmful as too little. With regular use, you'll find a humidifier can make a real difference to your comfort. With these home remedies, sinus congestion doesn't stand a chance. Steam inhalation, hydration with warm fluids, and the use of a humidifier are proven methods to alleviate your discomfort. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And remember, for more health tips and remedies, make sure to subscribe to Remedy Seeker. Here's to your health.